remember if I already said this, but I got the gold one, obviously. Oh, wow, this is premium. This feels incredible. Ah, this is my favorite shape. I'm so glad they brought the square shape back. This is unbelievable. Look at this. By the way, look at my mom's cute outfit today. Look at how cute that is. She's wearing like, come on with the gold. Come on, Southeast Asian queen. Today we're going to the jewelry store because I don't know like what's gonna happen in LA like the next couple of weeks. I don't know if we're gonna go back on lockdown. I do want to buy my mom's birthday gift and I wanted to buy her some jewelry, and if LA goes on lockdown within the next couple of weeks, then I wouldn't be able to buy it. So we're just gonna like go to the jeweler and like get it now. I want to show you guys my mom's outfit. She looks like an overbearing rich mom from a K-drama who doesn't like her son's poor girlfriend. Come on, rich mom. I also got myself a flat Cuban link chain. I think it looks really nice with my nameplate necklace. And then from my mom, I got her, she really liked my letter pendant, so I got her a letter pendant with a chain, and then I also got her like a Cuban link chain. It looks so cool. Well, it doesn't look cool right now, but it usually looks cool. Hot time! Oh, we can air fry those.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, let's air fry those. Oh, that's counterclockwise, but okay.
I just didn't want to go there. You don't want to go there.
Getting my hair cut today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm cutting it short today, so I'm really excited. I've never gone this short before, but we're gonna do it. And I'm very excited. So let's get going, girls. Or guys, or however you identify. The final product. I am obsessed with this hair. There's so much movement. My head feels really light. And the thing with long hair is like, I don't know, sometimes it felt like it was like dragging me down, like energetically even. So I love how like bouncy this short hair is. I've never gone this short before, so I'm very, very excited. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yes.
Good morning. So a little update. I am planning of moving out of this apartment just because I want to change, you know. I'm realizing that I really don't need this much space, and it's really hard to decorate this apartment because there's so much floor space, but there's also so much wall space. Like it just, I don't know, it always feels empty in here because I can't really hang stuff up there without like a ladder, and like I don't have a ladder, so I don't know, it feels a little eerie in here sometimes. That's the best way that I can explain it. Even though I love these windows and I love all the light that comes into this apartment and I love the high ceilings, I just want something new. I want a bit of a smaller apartment so that it feels a little bit more cozy. Staying inside the house all year made me realize how important coziness is. So yeah, we're going to tour an apartment. I have an appointment today at 10. I'm loving my hair. It looks so chic. and I can, you know, I can go over here to the side, which is so chic, I love that. But then I can also go down the middle. It really all depends on what I'm feeling that day. But yeah, it looks really good with like my earrings. My mom was telling me like, yeah, once you get your hair cut, all of your clothes are gonna feel like they look good. Because you're getting like a new look, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing just a basic white crew neck that I got from Uniqlo like, I don't know, 6 years ago. And then I'm wearing these work pants. On top, I'm wearing this really, really nice cardigan that I just got from Aritzia. It is so nice and I love the way it fits on the body. And it's just made so well. This is like the most premium knit that I've ever worn. And then obviously I got my jewelry. This is from Argento Vivo. These studs, these are actually real freshwater pearl studs. This is from my friend's brand called Amarillo, and my friend Jordan, she's Filipino, she collaborated with them and they created 3 like earrings. It's really cool. If you guys want to go support Amarillo, they're a really great brand. It is owned by a Bangladeshi American woman, and they donate to like a lot of nonprofit organizations like all the time. And then I also have my necklaces here. This is from a local jeweler in Long Beach called mkott Pich. They're a Cambodian owned family run jeweler in Long Beach. So if you're ever in the Long Beach area, go to them. They are, I love those people. They treat you like family. I just love those people. And I don't know what I'm gonna wear for my shoes. I was thinking of, sorry about this mess. I was thinking about the Cardi B Reeboks. Isn't this interesting? Like, you think that a Cardi B shoe or a sneaker would be like really vibrant and eccentric, but these are like really classic. I really like them. I was really surprised that this was a Cardi B collaboration. They kind of remind me of like those bowling shoes from the 50s, you know what I'm saying? Or what are those called, Mom? What are those called? Not penny loafer, Oxfords. They remind me of Oxfords. I don't know, they're really cute. So I'm probably gonna wear these, honestly. Woo! And then, oh, she said, what about her? So on top, she has a cropped red hoodie. And then underneath, she has a collared white shirt. She has a, what is this? Electric pleat skirt. And what shoes are you gonna wear, Miss Ma'am?
Oh, just my Air Force ones.
Ooh, and she's gonna put on the Air Force Ones. You better work. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. All right, so we're at the first apartment. So just gonna give you a little tour. So there's like this mudroom den area right next to the door, which is really cool. So I can put like all my coats here and like all my shoes over here, which is really helpful. This is one of the bathrooms. This is the kitchen. So this is one of the bedrooms, and both bedrooms have a walk-in closet, as you can see. And then this is the master bedroom. And then there's like this really nice like walkway. And then this is the master's bedroom. Bathroom. It'd be so nice to like put some photos up here. I really like that there's a double vanity. That's really cool. And then they also have one that is the exact like identical floor plan as this one, except there's a loft up there. Mom, what do you think? Mm-hmm. She's being a mom and she's examining all the appliances and stuff. You know what I mean? All right, so we're at the second apartment complex and they are showing us one of their guest suites, so it's furnished. Most of the apartments don't have this floor plan, but just to get a feel of like the appliances and like the cabinetry and stuff, I really like this one. So this is like the living area. I really like the window coverings. I think that looks really nice. It's kind of like a light diffuser, which would be really helpful for my YouTube videos. I'm thinking like content creator, y'all. And then it has this like nice like concrete laminate floors. I don't know, it's a vibe. Again, I love those window coverings. And this is the bathroom. Oh, one thing I like about the bathrooms is that it's like a deep tubs. It's like a deep soak tub. So you can really like take a bath in here and be really comfortable. Another bedroom. I like it because it's simple. It's not like too extra. You can really like, it's like a foundation, so you can like use your furniture to dress it up. It's a very simple style apartment. I really like it. Okay, this is the other apartment that's available to see. This one is actually empty, so this is one that that is available to rent. Oh my gosh, I'm shook. Look at this. Okay, so where I'm standing is the front door, and there's so much light because there's windows right here. So I would put like my dining area here, and then of course you got the kitchen. But then there's also another window over here, so you're getting a light from two areas of the apartment, which I love because one thing about apartments is that sometimes you only get light from one part of the apartment, and so it gets kind of dark. What I like is that you get light on opposite sides, so your apartment's always gonna be lit up, like no matter what time of the day it is. So this is awesome. And then again, I love the window coverings. I love the kitchen, so cute. And then look at the closet in the master bedroom. Whoa, it's just like open, and there's like stuff on both sides. This is everything I need in an apartment. And I really like that I can bring my dining table because in the other apartment, I can't really fit it in there. So I really like this one. Also, it's cheaper than the other one.
Cheaper and it's wide.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I love the windows. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, so we're back home and I have a little update. I loved that last apartment so much that I applied for it. And it's really cool because there's really great deals. Like there's a lot of like apartment complexes offering like really good deals right now because of COVID. So like they're trying to, you know, obviously fill up apartment complexes so they make more money. So they're having like really great deals right now. They're offering 1 month free, and it just so happens that the timing of it is perfect in the way that it overlaps with my current lease, so I don't have to pay rent twice, you know what I mean? So it's just really great because that way I can like, you know, take things over there and like move at a slower pace, I guess, and like really take my time. And then I actually have time to like sell stuff because this couch has got to go. Y'all know that is not my favorite couch, even though I am very grateful for its time and very grateful for what it has done for me at the time that I needed it, but it has got to go. And then all of this is going, all the bookcases are going. We're going to a new apartment with a whole new vibe, and we're gonna get some new furniture. Wow, it's like that apartment was, it's like it was meant to be. How do you like the apartment, Mom?
I love it. I love it, I love it.
What do you like about it?
The area.
Mm-hmm.
It's low maintenance. Love the flooring. No more carpet.
Mm-hmm.
Love the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
And
the lighting.
And the lighting, of course.
We took some outfit photos in there just to, you know, test it out, see if it was worth it. You gotta take outfit photos and see the lighting to see if it's worth moving into. That's how we decide if we wanna move to an apartment or not. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. But all right, y'all, I'm about to call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think I'm gonna do my version of Vlogmas for December. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. That was the worst snap I've ever done.